You guys are killing me. What is this ring around Luger thing? It's your ball. Get your ball. Because frankly, they ripped up the other one. Because Cole wants the ball and he ain't gonna get it. Oh, you guys. Murph wants to lay down. There we go. And then watch when he gets out. Takes half the pool with him. Well, usually he doesn't shake off. You can't have it, Cole. No. Oh, please don't shake off by me. Hi, Ledge. Ah, you just slimed my leg. And this is oftentimes what they do when Cole does not have a toy in his mouth. They just play chasey games. If Cole has a toy in his mouth, though, they can get really, really creepy crazy. No, I'm not playing with it. I don't want it. Because as soon as I kick it, Luger's going to come over here and try and take it. Ah! Yeah, you get your ball. Oh.